Hey gang, I just opened up a sliding scale for my January program. I know this time of year nobody wants to spend money, let alone on themselves. So click the last post. It's a PayPal link. You can pay $0. You can pay whatever you can. So I walked into a yoga studio in Moncton not too long ago, and they had a sliding scale. And I spoke to the owner, and she said it was absolutely incredible. The people that were turning up, the students, the people that might not do yoga because they can't afford it. Spending money on ourselves is tricky, right? Especially this time of year. So why I run this program once a year is because January everybody does their New Year's resolutions and then they fall off. So I've built this process. I built it over behavioral change and all of my years in corporate wellness. And we work on a 90-day transformation, and we work with 3 21-day sets of goals. So I've run it with lots of people. It's incredible. It does really well when we have a huge group. So just for you guys in this group, the Get Nourished community group, you've been with me over the years with Nourish, please join us even if you can't afford a single penny. I would love your energy and support in the group. So don't be scared. It's not a huge commitment. It's built for the busy bee. So if you're addicted to caffeine, sugar, you run off your feet, you're a busy mom, you're a workaholic, perfect for you. It's super chill, and it really is. We're just committing together. It's accountability and consistency that leads to the success. So don't be overwhelmed. I'm not going to overhaul your pantries and what you eat. It's really built on small daily goals, and the clients that have gone through it have been workaholics. They've been super busy, and they've had great success. So please join us. I'll put the link in the comments as well, the last post that I did. I'm opening up that sliding scale because I know the last thing you want to do is spend money on yourself. Really good to commit to it now so that you have a plan for the new year. And we're not starting on New Year's Day. We're starting, we have 7 days to set up our first daily action plan. So really January 7th is the actual start date. Right when you commit, I send you a welcome email to get started. So over the holidays, just some tips and tricks, how to stay happy, healthy, and at the end of the day, take back control of your life. So you're no longer a slave to caffeine, to sugar, to your thoughts. It really is a program built around meeting you where you are at through the 10 principles to get nourished, whether that's your food that needs to change, supplements that need to be added, your mindset. A lot of the time it is our mindset and that positive growth and affirmations and gratitude. So please join us. I want your energy in the group. It does really well with more people. So don't be humble. Don't be shy. You don't even have to spend a single penny, and nobody's judging you. Nobody's going to know how much you paid. I go to Vipassana meditations, and it's on a volunteer or pay what you can basis. And there's 150 centers around the world, and they run. Some people pay $0. Some people pay $100,000. So please be humble enough to give this to yourself as a gift, even if you can't afford it. All right, guys, talk soon.